They have arrived. The all-new Traxxas Jato 4x4 brushless buggies are here at Fast Eddie's. I'm going to get one out of the box and tell you all about it. While I get this out of the box, I'll let you know that the price on these is $349.99. They are available in 4 different colors. You've got red, blue, green, and black. These Jatos do come ready to run, which means that they're fully assembled. They include all the electronics and they do include the radio. You do have to buy the battery and charger separately. If you have any more questions about what ready to run is, please go back and look at my pinned video. I'll let you know, this is the first release of these 4x4 Jato buggies from Traxxas. They are going to come out with a future release. This first release is the BL-2S system, so it's the brushless 2S capable or 7.4 volt capable system. And this is sort of the entry-level model. So after Christmas, Traxxas will be releasing a 4S version of this, much bigger motor, faster. It'll have a lot more upgrades on it. So if you're looking for something with a little bit more performance, you can wait until the 4S one comes out. But if you want to get yourself a capable 2S 7.4 volt system, this might be right up your alley. I was able to take the body off without using any of the cotter pins or the metal clips. They call it a clipless design, but what they've gone to is a more streamlined clip system in here. It's attached to the body and it snaps right into here. Taking a closer look under the body, you can see it has the BL-2S system. This is upgradable to the Valenian 3S system. That'd be an easy swap out to do if you wanted a little bit more speed. It is running the center drive shaft underneath this center chassis brace here. Over here, it has the clipless battery strap, so just pop that off. Battery strap comes out. Since this is a 8-scale buggy, this is running the 17mm hexes in here, and it is using the color-matched green wheel nuts here. They are running the GTR shocks, both front and rear. Looking at the drive shafts here, these are pretty substantial, the HD drive shafts, as you can see there. One thing that this is lacking adjustable links, both for the camber and the toe, and also in the rear for the camber links here. These are not adjustable. So that's something you might want to improve later on. And then looking at the rear here, as with any 8-scale buggy, it is running an 8-scale buggy wing. As with many of the Traxxas 4x4s, you can see right here, it is running the Traxxas 2075 plastic gear servo. Again, that's something that I always upgrade on my cars, as I always go to a stronger, faster servo. That probably will not be an exception with this one as well. Now I know what you're thinking. Isn't the Jato a 2-wheel drive nitro buggy? Well, yes it is. But Traxxas wanted to convey across to this new platform the idea that the Jato is known for. And this Jato, if you guys are familiar, it's a 3.3 motor with this tiny little chassis and 2-wheel drive. This thing is extremely fast and just a super fun car to drive. So they're trying to convey that across the platform over to the new Jato, which is now a 4-wheel drive buggy. Here's where I feel that Traxxas fell short with this one. They came out with the BL-2S version, which is great. This is a good entry-level version that can be upgraded down the road if that's something you want to do. But in my opinion, they're waiting too long to come out with the 4S version of this. The 4S version is going to be more in line with what the Jato is known for. It's extreme speeds, just an extreme buggy. This one here is going to be a lot more tame. I think it's going to be somewhere in around the 35 mile per hour range. Running on a 4-wheel drive platform, I think we need a little bit more speed if we're going to call this truly a Jato. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Be sure to like and follow for more videos.